don't know if you guys can hear that, but the wind outside right now is so crazy. Like, I cannot believe we are in the middle of a snowstorm. We were just getting rid of the other snow that we got a couple of weeks ago. That snow was just melting, and now we have 16 more inches of snow. I'm pissed. Like, I am so sick of this, but it's fine. A couple of days from now, I will be in Florida in warmer weather, so it's okay. Hello everyone, it's Kayla, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video. Welcome back to another vlog. It has been a minute. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really long time, but that's actually not true because I have been attempting to vlog. I just haven't been uploading any footage, or like I'll start a vlog and then stop because I feel like it's not going well. So we are trying again today. I hope everyone has been doing well, and I feel like it's been so long since I talked to the camera. I might be a little bit rusty, so I just need you guys to bear with me. I will hopefully get back into the swing of things. The first 2 months of the year have been hitting me hard. It's currently February 23rd, and I'm holding on by a thread, okay guys? I don't know what's been going on, but January hit me hard, and then February has hit me even harder. So I am trying my best to stay afloat. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comments. I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time, so I'm curious what's new, what's going on. While I have you guys here, before we get into what's going on in this vlog, I want to share some clips with you guys from when I was away in Georgia. Me, my cousin, and my sister, we went to this really cute manga anime bookstore. They also had a bunch of stationery and like really cute things there, and it was just such a cute vibe, and I got some clips from that. So I'm going to insert the footage now because I have the clips and I want to share them. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep watching. So that was the vibe of the little anime bookstore that we went to. It was actually a huge bookstore, and I didn't get to go to like every corner because I was just a little bit overwhelmed, but it's fine. I saved my coins. It's okay. Anyways, for today's vlog, we are going to be doing a very chill, kind of cozy day at home. It's a snow day. I had the day off of work because of the snow. There was no way I could have made it into work today because my street right now is completely covered in snow. Also, if I did go to work, I would have been stuck there overnight, and I don't want to sleep in that place. I was lucky enough to get the day off from work, which I'm very happy about. So I'm going to do a couple of things around the house. I have to take some photos for Instagram. I do have to like catch up in my planner, so I might film me doing that. You guys already saw that I got up and I made breakfast. I read a little bit this morning. So we're just going to continue that little cozy vibe. It should be a nice chill vlog. I hope that you guys will enjoy this vlog, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I took some pictures from my Instagram. Right now, I'm going to try to update my planner because I have not updated it in a little while. I'm currently filming on my phone to get like the face-to-face shots, and then my actual camera is filming the planner situation. So yeah, let's try and update this planner, or at least finish the spread that I started. I am so behind in here, it's crazy. But you know what? I did order a Hobonichi cousin that should be coming sometime this week, and I am going to start that in April. I feel like that will be more manageable because it's a little bit more compact. I'm still going to be using my B6 planner. It's just going to be more so for memory keeping, which is technically how I'm using it now anyways, because I have not been actively planning in it. I've just been catching up. So yeah, we are going to switch some things around in my planner system. Honestly, planning is not like my number one priority right now since I've been reading so much. As I said in my last video, reading has been taking up quite a bit of my time, so I'm not like too eager to plan, but I still do enjoy it, so I kind of want to be able to continue planning as much as I can in here. So that is what we are going to be doing. I don't know what's been going on, but my fountain pen has been giving me a lot of stress, a lot of trials and tribulations. I think I need to clean it out and like change the ink or something like that, because it's definitely not writing as smoothly as it used to. And I've had this ink in this pen for quite a while now, so I think it's definitely time to switch the ink out. But you know, that is a problem for another day. I'm gonna worry about that later. This is the TWSBI Eco fountain pen. The colorway is the Onyx Black and the Slate Blue. And I have it inked up with Diatrimentis Document Black ink, which is like literally my favorite ink of all time. And it is not hitting like it's supposed to. I'm so stressed out about that. So I think it's time to like clean the pen out and start fresh. I actually really hate cleaning fountain pens, like it's the bane of my existence, but it must be done. These icon stickers are from High Paper Clouds. They're literally some of my favorite icon stickers. If you guys watched I think it was my August or September stationery favorites video, you guys would have seen me talk about these. Oh, so this is gonna go here, right here. Okay, my camera died, so I'm using my phone to just show you guys that I actually finished the spread. Really happy with how this turned out. I still have a lot more weeks to catch up in, but I am making progress. I think I'm going to do another week a little bit later on today, but I'm going to stop here for right now. I still have a lot of stickers left in this kit from High Paper Clouds, which I'm not sure if I want to use the leftover stickers on the following week, or if I want to just end here with the stickers for right now, because I do have a lot of other stickers that I want to get through. I'm trying to not buy new stickers and just use up what I have in my stash, because again, as I said, I have a lot of stickers that I need to use. But yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll figure that out later. But this is the completed spread. I'm very happy with it. As you guys can see, well, I don't know if you can tell because it looks pretty okay on camera, but the pen was kind of like fraying in some parts. It was like a little bit too inky in some parts, but I mean, overall it looks pretty good. So very happy with this. Thumbs up. been a couple hours since you guys last saw me. I've just been relaxing, catching up on some of my shows. Right now, I'm gonna head outside and brave this snowstorm because we have to get the cars shoveled out of the spaces. Otherwise, we'll be stuck here tomorrow. Not that I mind. I love being home, but I definitely need to go to work tomorrow. So we gotta go get those cars shoveled out. I do not want to go outside right now, but it must be done. I am freezing. This is insane. I have to get another pair of gloves to put on over these ones.